Salas Park in Lodi is usually a busy space for families, home to youth sports and community activities.
So there's thousands of kids who come through these gates every year to play youth sports here in the park. And it's such an important park to the community.
But the park is now closed for repairs after a recent surge in vandalism.
I'm just unfortunate that we have to deal with these issues in all of our parks.
And while vandalism here isn't new, community member Dawson Hare says recent incidents have caused extensive damage.
We've had over $100,000 in vandalism.
Vandals have cut through fencing, damaged restrooms and concession areas, smashed lighting equipment, and broken irrigation systems.
I will take a motion to approve.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
On Wednesday night, Lodi City Council voted to invest $110,000 in repairs using unallocated Parks, Recreation, and Cultural Services funds from the 24-25 fiscal year. The resolution also notes the city is working with Lodi Police to increase officer presence, add temporary security cameras, and respond more proactively to reports of illegal encampments. And Hare says he's hopeful that enforcement will be enough to keep Salas Park safe and fully operational for families who depend on it.
Yeah, there's definitely a concern that vandalism is going to occur in the future, but I'm confident that with an increase in security and an increase in police presence, that will bring a decrease in the vandalism here at the park.
In Lodi, covering local news that matters, Noah Anderson, Fox 40 News.